How to export only a section of the timeline in Kdenlive. First of all, open your Kdenlive project and load the timeline you want to export. Next, decide which part of the timeline you want to export as a separate clip. Move the playhead to the start point of the section you want to export. Then right-click on the timeline ruler and select Set Zone In or use the shortcut I. Move the playhead to the endpoint of the section you want to export. Right-click again on the timeline ruler and select Set Zone Out or use the shortcut O. You will see the selected zone highlighted on the timeline. Now go to the project menu and click on Render. In the Render dialog, make sure the selected zone option is selected instead of the full project. Choose your desired export format and settings. Finally, click Render to File to export only the selected section of your timeline. Now you know how to export only a section of the timeline in Kdenlive. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.